Hello, 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 how are you? Welcome to Poly English Trial Class. My name is Teacher Eileen, and what is your name? Oh, can you say it again? Can you say, my name is Hero? Again, my name. Oh, that's amazing. Hello, hero. Nice to meet you. Can you say, nice to meet you too? Wow, that's amazing. And because of that, teacher Eileen will give you an excellent start. Ta-da! All right. So now, in this lesson, hero, we will learn about birds. Do you know what is bird? That's amazing. Now, look, look, look. What can you see in the picture? Can you tell me? Mm-hmm. Oh, can you say, I can see an owl? Again? Mm-hmm. I can see an owl. All right. I can see an insect. Can you repeat again? I can see an owl. Mhm. That's great. Can you circle an owl like this? Can you use your finger and circle an owl, hero? Very good, hero. And with that, I will give you a star. Good job. All right. So the title of our lesson, hero, is all about, can only birds fly? Can you repeat again? Can, again, only birds fly? Good job. All right, so let's jump to the next page. Now, look, look, look. What animals do you know? Mhm. Do you have any animals that you know? Oh, that's correct. It is a giraffe. All right. Okay, so hero, I want you to say it in a complete sentence. Can you say, I can see a giraffe? Mhm, that's amazing. What else do you know? Do you know this animal here? This one. Oh, this is correct. It's a tiger. Can you say, it is a tiger? Mhm, that's correct. Next. Yes, it is a monkey. One more time. Can you repeat again? Good job. And with that, I will give you a great start. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so now, how about the other animals that you know? Hmm, it is an elephant. Again, it is an elephant. Correct. Hmm? Yes, this one, this one. Woof, woof. The sound is woof, woof. Very good. Yes, you say it is a dog. Again, very good. Next, meow, meow. Yes, can you say it is a cat? Again, Very good. And with that, I will give you another star. Good job, hero. Now, let's jump to the next page. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go to the next page. All right? Okay. So, look. What is this animal again? This is an owl. Very good. So let's talk this time. Hero, you are an owl. This one. Yeah, this is you. And this is Teacher Lillian. I mean, Teacher Eileen. Okay? Mm-hmm. Yes. So I will start. You listen to me, okay? Hi there, hero. Are you a bird? What will you say? Okay, can you say, yes, I am? One more time. You say, yes, I am an owl. Owls, owls are birds. Okay, one more time. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Very good. Can you circle again the owl in the picture? Very good. Nice one, hero. Now, next page. Look and say. Can you read the word? Look at the picture. Look, look, look. What is this? Yeah, it's a bird. But what's the name of this bird again? Good job. It is an owl. Okay, so if you see one bird or one animal, we will say it owl. Okay, we will not add S yet. Okay, remember that one. All right, next. Oh, look, look, look. How many owls do you see in the picture? Two. That's great. Can you say it in a complete sentence? Can you say, there are two birds? Or you say, there are two owls. That's great. So here, since there are two owls, we will add S here. Okay? Remember that one. So you say, one owl, two owls. Okay? Very good. And with that, look, I will give you a clever star. Good job. Nice one, hero. Now let's jump to the next page and read the sentence. Here, owls are birds. Again. Okay, good job. So how many owls do you see in the picture? Yes, you say there are, okay, four owls. Good job. Here is your star. You are amazing, hero. Now let's jump to the next page, okay? Look at the owl. There is something missing. Okay. Can you drag the right wings? Okay, I want you to drag the right wings to the owl. All right, so I want you to drag it here, the correct owls, from here. So there are three kinds of wings, okay? Below, there are three kinds of wings in the picture, right? I want you to drag the correct wings. Where is it? Okay, that's great. And the answer is in number three. Can you drag it? Very good. Now, can you say owls? Again, owls have got wings. Owls I've got wings. Very good, hero. Look, I will give you a good star. Yay! Okay, so let's go to the next page. Okay, are you ready to the next page? Okay, let's go. Now, this time we will watch the video, and after that, you will say, okay? I want you to repeat the sound in the picture. Mhm. Owls can fly. Owls can fly. Very good. Here is your star and brilliant star. You got two stars. Very good, hero. Now, look, look, look. Let's read, okay? Let's read the sentence. Okay, here you say, owls are birds. Very good. Next. Good job. Owls have got wings. Again, you say wings, wings, wings. Perfect. Next, owls can fly. Fly, fly, fly. Very good. Here is your amazing star. Good job. Can you give me a high five, hero? High five. Very good. Now, let's go to the next page. Oh, we are done in our lesson, and today you've learned about owls. What did you learn today? Yes, owls. Very good. So for today's lesson, hero, you able to understand what is owl, and you able to pronounce correctly the word owl or owls. So good job for today. So look, hero, you got many stars today. And ta-da! You are doing great, and I hope to see you again next time, okay? So keep on reading English words, and practice the keywords that you've learned today. Understood? So bye bye for now. I hope to see you next time in my class. Bye bye.